Hi, this is Dharmik Dixit, your Waterloo Region real estate agent, and today I am going to take you on a tour of this beautiful detached bungalow that you do see right behind me. Now, I'm in the southern end of Cambridge here in the Westwood Village, which is a master plan community where a number of builders are building a range of town and detached homes. So what I'll do is this, I'll take you guys on a tour of this home first. You can see all the other ones are two-story. So this is a very unique and interesting floor plan if you ask me. The home shows beautiful. And towards the end of this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about this community and your options as a potential buyer in this community. And if you do stick around until the end of this video, I will also tell you another great incentives that you could avail, which could mean a few $1,000s back to you in your pocket. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Now, the home itself is sitting on a 38 feet wide lot. You are looking at double car garage, 3-bedroom, 2 full washrooms, just over 1,400 square feet. Now, keep in mind, this is a single-story bungalow, unlike two-story where, 2,000 square feet is spread between the two levels. This is, despite being 1,400 square feet, the layout is very nice and spacious. You will see what I mean when I enter the home. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. So right as you enter, you basically have this nice foyer area with coat closet. But as you walk a couple steps further, you have the steps leading you to the basement. Mind you, this is a walkout basement, which is unfinished at the moment. As you know, the home is brand new. And we do have a double wide garage. So you could easily fit in 2 cars next to each other. And of course, you will still have some space for additional storage. One more thing I do want to highlight is the fact that, now, pretty standard for all the builders these days, but you are looking at 9 feet ceiling on this level, as well as carpet-free living, dining, and kitchen. Now, you could treat this as a pantry, as it is, right across the kitchen. What I do like is very open floor plan, like between the foyer area all the way to that walkout door in the back. You have not a single wall or a beam in between. So this is how I would define what we call open concept living. This is what it is, right? You have no walls in between blocking any views between the spaces. And take a look at this kitchen. Again, we're looking at pretty standard these days. I mean, quartz countertops, when you buy these brand new homes, pretty much expected from the builders these days, some of these finishes. You also have some of the other things that does come as a standard with this builder is things like soft close drawers. And overall, not a massive kitchen, but, a good sized kitchen with the breakfast bar, perfect for small families. And there is a natural transition from the kitchen into the dining area, which I like that window to the side. And as it naturally flows into the, open concept living area. And again, I like the fact that there is, that walkout huge door leading you to the patio. And that's going to be one of your primary bedroom. Now, keep in mind the bedrooms do have carpets. I do like the size of those windows, and you have a walk-in closet up, and of course, you do also have an ensuite in this bedroom. So that'll be one of the 2 full washrooms that this home comes with. So it's a 3-piece washroom with a standing shower, glass panel. And I also did like the size of this bedroom overall. Pretty good size. And, they have made good use of that walk-in closet. Now, always recommended to, build this place out to make the most use of it, because without the shelving, you're not going to be able to make the most of this walk-in closet. But that is something you would do after you move in. And basically right from your primary bedroom, you will walk into the living area. So again, very unique floor plan. It's not suited for everyone if you ask me, but there are families that I've worked with who prefer this kind of floor plan where everything is on the same level. But also a good sized deck. And, of course, there are some green space lots. There are some lots backing onto protected green space. So you will have no neighbor at any point in future. So plenty of options available through this builder when it comes to the lots. Of course, this is one of the lots that is not backing onto the green space. You would have neighbors in the back. But because we have a walkout basement, we have this raised deck that flows from the living area. But lots of natural light, like, I have turned on the lights, but even if, on any given day, on a nice and sunny day, you would have ample natural light flowing into this living, dining, and kitchen area. And like I said, that they have staged this as a full-size dining, but the fact that island is so huge, you could, make the dining area a little bit smaller to make that space more open. Now, this is where we have one of the second bedrooms. So there are two secondary bedrooms next to each other. And then we have a main bath, which I'll show you in a moment. But this one would be about, I would say, 10 by 12, 10 by 13 approximately. But they do have, a good sized closet in this. So, for 1,400 square feet that's spread out on the single level, this is a good layout, very practical. And this is the main bath that I mentioned earlier. So we have a shower and a tub combo. Of course, we have quartz vanity in both of these bathrooms, tiled, shower area. Good finishes, if you were to stand here, really good finishes from this builder. I would give them that. And that door is where we have the linen closet. And as you can see, both of those bedrooms, the secondary bedrooms are across from each other. So your primary bedroom is on the other side of the, the living area. The only pain point I have this, to pick with this new builders these days is just the fact that, there's not a lot of space left between the houses. And that's oftentimes brought up by many of my clients who are planning to buy a brand new home, that there is barely any space. And, that basically not just blocks the light, but it kind of, steers away from the privacy you would get as well sometimes. And let me give you a quick sneak peek of this walkout basement. You can see there's a lot that can be done with this space once you close off this utility area. I mean, this is like an open canvas. What I like, again, because it's a bungalow, you can see there is virtually no wall in between. Like, even if you were to finish this space, it would just remain as open. So, it could turn into a very, very versatile space. You can call it, you can turn it to an office, library, kids play area, and whatnot, because it's a walkout basement. And that's a major plus. So there you have it. I hope you did enjoy the tour of this beautiful model home. Let me know your thoughts about this home. What did you like? What did you not like? I would love to know either way. But if you were to ask me my candid thoughts, I would say, first of all, the workmanship and the build quality shows really well in this model home, at least. And if you were to stand here next to me, you'd probably agree with me. Now, talking about the builder itself. So this is the Huron Creek Developments here in the Westwood Village community. They have a subdivision called Westwood Village Preserve, which they are offering a range of detached homes on a 38, 40 feet, and even 50 feet wide lot. So what I'm trying to say is, these are not going to be the starter homes for most families. What you're looking at is, if you are someone who is looking for a forever home or like a destination home to settle down, I feel like this is the builder that's worth exploring here in Cambridge, especially if you're looking for, new build space. What also sets this builder apart from virtually every other builder here in the Westwood Village community is the fact that they have some very unique floor plans that is specific to many of the family's unique needs. Just to give you a simple example, this, right? No other builder here in the Westwood Village community, or very few builders across the KWC, are offering this single-story layout bungalows, at least in the new build space. Talking about some other unique floor plans, they have one with the in-law suites built in. They even have one with bedroom on the main level and another couple of bedrooms on the second level. So some very, very unique and interesting floor plans to suit every family's need. Pricing wise, you are looking at starting from low to mid 900K. Now keep in mind, prices do keep changing all the time, these days at least. So right now they're offering anywhere from 900K and up. You are looking at floor plans ranging from 1400 square feet, which is this one. Now keep in mind, this is a single story, but they have 2 stories ranging all the way to 3000 square feet and up. You are looking at some move-in ready inventory, whereas most of the other homes will be closing between 8 months and up from the time you firm up with them. Now, lastly, I want to leave you with a great incentive. Shall you choose to work with me and say, represent you towards the purchase of your dream home in any build with any builder across the Westwood Village community here in Cambridge, I will give you 20% cash back to you of my gross commission at the time of closing, which will mean a few $1,000 back to you in your pocket towards the closing. Now, just keep in mind, a full disclaimer, is that I don't want you to reach out to me just for the cash back. I do genuinely feel like I can add value far more than a typical cashback. So yes, cashback is an icing on the cake, not the cake itself. So if you are looking for value far beyond the cashback, then I am your agent, and feel free to reach out to me. Like I said, I have families reach out to me every single week looking to relocate, and I absolutely love helping them. So whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can call me, text me, email me, or even schedule a Zoom call. All my contact info is right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you and family make a smooth move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Until next time, I will continue to show you guys around the town.